So over here, you can see that I got 2 frames, and whenever you're adding interactivity to them using prototype, then you can choose a range of animations. So to show you how we can choose different types of animations, I'm going to go around into prototype. And once you do that, over here on the left side, you can see that there's a button. I'm just going to click and drag and link these out to individual frames right here. So I'm just going to go around, click and drag this right here, and link each of these buttons out over here onto the next frame. So now you can go around onto the frame, and over here on the frame, you can see that right now on Cake, you got the navigate option right here. So I'm going to go around onto animation for this one. So over here, you can see that by default, the animation that is set is instant. So you can go around over here, and then you can go around into animation and then choose dissolve for this one. Similarly, I'm going to go around over here for this one. I'm going to smart animate, and then I'm going to go around and choose move in for this one. Similarly, I'm just going to go around, choose move out. Let's just go around over here and choose push for this one. And I'm going to go around over here, choose slide in for this one. And this one is going to be slide out. So different type of animation transitions has been applied onto this. And now to preview this out, I'm going to go around and click on present button right here. So once you click on the present button, what happens is that it loads up all those animations right here. So the default one is instant. It just goes out to the next frame. You can go back using the arrow keys. And if I were to press the second one, it's a bit more like dissolve, as you can see. Let me just press back button, click on this. This is the smart animation. But since there's no elements from the previous frame being carried out, it just applies the dissolve. You go back, and the fourth one is the slide, as you can see right here, sliding in from the right. This is sliding in from the left. So slide left right here, as you can see, and this is going to be slide all the way, and both of the frames slide out. You can see that it simply pushes it out instead of just sliding on to the top right here. This one is similarly sliding in, and this one is slide and on the top, as you can see right here, slides on the top, and the previous frame actually darkens out a bit. And then there's the last one right here. If I were to click this, then it's the same one in opposite direction. And those are the different types of animations that you can add in your prototype to make your prototype interesting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.